guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In Grimmer News, this is not usually what I normally cover because I normally do educational content and art-related stuff, but as a Twitch streamer and somebody who does Twitch streaming content, I really want to cover the topic about the Twitch leak that happened very recently. So for those of you guys who don't know, you guys probably have already heard of this, but a lot of private information of Twitch was leaked, and it was believed to have been leaked by somebody internally. It was basically a massive GitHub repository that contained information such as encrypted passcodes, the entirety of Twitch's source code, mobile, desktop, and console Twitch clients, a potential Steam competitor called Vapor, and payouts from Twitch creators starting from 2019. And I just want to throw my 2 cents in on this. First off, if you are a Twitch streamer, please, or if you're even on Twitch and just a regular user, please change your passcodes, turn on 2-factor authentication, or you can download the authentication app, Authentic, I believe it's what it's called. Please, because even if they get access to your password, even if you changed it, 2-factor authentication is kind of annoying, but it's really safe. And if Twitch is your livelihood, if it's a dream that you're building, a passion, I would hate for it to get stolen from you based off somebody stealing your account information. So please just enable that 2-factor authentication for extra safety. And if you are a streamer, update your stream key, save a new one somewhere safe, and re-input the new stream key into your OBS, Streamlabs OBS, whatever broadcasting software you use. The one interesting thing that I want to go talk about among the leaks was the stream payouts. And one of the things on the leaks was payouts to Twitch streamers starting in 2019 up until now. And it's been released by a bunch of Twitter users, so it is on the platform, but I will not be showing it here because I don't want to perpetuate false information. Some content creators have spoken up and said that their number was incorrect or something of the sort. So since, according to Twitch TOS, it's still kind of sketch to disclose how much money you've made, I don't want to go and encourage the cycle of throwing out this type of information. However, if some of these numbers are correct, then it shows some of the top Twitch streamers making upwards of $1 million per year. And the public is kind of upset about this, which I personally don't quite understand. Large content creators make a lot of money. It's one of the rewards of social media, and it's only something that the top 0.000001% can even touch. So it should be no surprise that just like large YouTubers, Instagram influencers, and Twitch streamers, that their income would be upwards in the millions for the top creators. It just makes sense. In my opinion, based on the personal friendship or like parasocial relationship that builds up between Twitch streamers and their audience, a lot of people in the audience feel upset and potentially due to underlying jealousy over how much their favorite content creators actually do. It's always a tricky area when the numbers are actually released because everyone knows that these large content creators, influencers make a lot of money, but it's always kind of vague. There's never really any number that's actually tossed out. But once you actually get a number and you physically can understand the quantity of money, how much money these people make, it can be a shell shock. It could be scary. But please, I highly discourage anybody from sending hate to these content creators. They have worked really hard to get to the point that they are at today. They have worked really hard for their money and going down an unconventional path in a career in which most people, over 99% of people, can't make a full-time income in. For them to have a successful career and thrive off of it is something to be applauded. It's crazy. And that being said, there's a lot of debate and question as to why people would donate or subscribe or give money to these content creators anyways, even if they know that they're already making a lot of money. And it's simply because when somebody is making content and you kind of form, in a way, a parasocial bond with the content creator, you enjoy what they make, and you want to support them, even though you already know that they already have a lot of money. It's kind of in the same way. We already know that Netflix and these other streaming softwares, these video streaming softwares have a lot of money, and yet people go and will pay money to subscribe to the software, even though you could just get the video somewhere else, you know? I don't know if that's the best analogy, but it's kind of something that I think will hopefully make sense where these large content creators are creating content that you personally consume and enjoy. And thus, even though it is free, you still want to help the streamer out by giving them money. And it is not the streamer's fault for not disclosing how much money they make. In Twitch's terms of service, they're very gray in how they allow you to disclose information. And there is something in the clause that says that all information in a streamer's creator dashboard is private within the creator themselves and Twitch. And what is in the creator dashboard? Your revenue. So streamers are generally uncomfortable sharing how much money they make because of these contractual obligations. You best believe I would be super transparent with how much money I make off Twitch if I was allowed to. I'm very transparent with how much money I make on a platform like Etsy because there is no contractual obligation for me to not disclose that information. But yeah, TLDR, please go and protect your Twitch accounts by enabling two-factor authentication, changing your password, and changing your stream key. And don't send these large creators hate for simply making money. If anything, you should go praise them for managing to go make a full-time income and thrive off of it on a platform where most people cannot make that happen. But if you guys like this video, I also stream on Twitch, and I do stream 5 days a week. So I'd love to check you guys out there. And if you like this video, I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.